Hi babes, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brianna if you're new. So I'm starting a new entrepreneur series. The first episode today is about applying for your business license, your LLC, or a corporation. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is for if you're in Florida, because I'm not sure about the other states. But if you guys want me to, I will do some for some other popular states if I get enough comments. So Florida, you're just going to go to sunbiz.org. Okay, and sunbiz.org is where you apply for your business. It gives you a lot of documents. It goes through all the steps. It gives you resources. Basically, it walks you through how to do everything when you're starting your LLC. So I'm just letting you guys see all the steps. You research what license and all the things that come with starting a business. So it's showing you right now the tax stuff. Then it's showing you like the business registration when you go on there. Come on, Brianna, are you going to stay right here? But basically just general information and resources that it's giving you before you even start the process of the application. So then you are going to do a start e-file, and it shows you all the different types: LLC, corporation, nonprofit, limited partnership. So it shows you all the different types. So most people do LLC. So it gives you the instructions of what to do. And then when you're ready, you click the file LLC. But the most important thing you want to do is search and make sure the name that you came up for your business is not already taken. So I'm just putting my business name in the search engine now, just so y'all can see. But basically, that first one that I'm going to show you and I'm going to circle it, that's my corporation. That's my business. I chose a corporation. So it shows you the name. It shows you like the little document series. You can't see it. I thought I scrolled over. And then it shows you if they're active or not. So that's my business. And my status is active. So once you've done that, and make sure that your business name is not already taken, it's not already in use. You can file online or you can send your information in, but of course filing online is easier. So I did a corporation. I didn't do a LLC. I know the LLC, you can use your own address, like your house address or whatever. But for corporation, you have to use a different address. Or if you don't want to use your home address, you could always get a virtual mailbox. So this is a disclaimer before you continue. And if you don't already have a login or already in the process, then you're just going to create one. Or if you're coming back, then you're going to come back. All right, so I'm just going to cut in really quick. So if you don't want to use your home address for your business, you can always use a virtual mailbox. So this is the virtual mailbox that I use. It is called PostScan. And what you do is you put in your city, state, or zip code. We're going to accept the cookies because, so I'm just using my zip code right now for an example. So this virtual mailbox, this is a physical location that you can go to pick up your mail or packages or whatever. But this is what you're going to use when it asks for your business address if you choose to do the virtual mailbox. So it gives you a list of places and addresses that are by your zip code or closest to you. And it lets you know how much the lowest plan starts at. I accidentally clicked Well, I clicked the address in Orlando. So this is basically what it's showing as their starter. But I will say PostScan has went up a little bit because my plan is like $12. So they went up a couple bucks. But it's still pretty, it's not that expensive. But yeah, I'm just going down the list showing you all the results that are coming up. And like I said, all of these are physical addresses. So it's usually maybe like a UPS or somewhere where they actually do hold your mail or whatever. If you do a corporation, you cannot do a PO box and you cannot do your personal address. So this is why I just went ahead and went with the virtual mailbox, because I currently don't have a building for myself. But it's just showing you the different plans they have, how much they cost per month, and then now it's showing you any additional fees that you will have. So with PostScan, I think this is with a lot of virtual mailboxes, though, all of them. Pay attention because you will have to get a notarized consent form that whoever your that business can accept mail on your behalf. PostScan has people that does it for you. They do charge $50. I'm not $50, $20. If you don't want to pay the $20 for them to do it, then you can always take it to your local notary or wherever they do notary at that maybe not that expensive. But I just did let them do it. It was $20 and you do it virtually. You're gonna need 2 pieces of identification, not your birth certificate or social security card. Now, back to business, back to SlumBiz, registering for everything. Okay, so this is basically so I chose the LLC. LLC is apparently like $100 or something, but a corporation, the prices are different. Because my corporation was like 80, 82, and the LLC is $125. So the pricing is different. Also, for a LLC, you will have quarterly taxes. So quarterly, you're going to have to submit your earnings. Even if you don't make any, you still have to submit it. And with the corporation, it is annually, which is usually between January 1st and May 1st. You have to submit your annual report. So this is just telling you, make sure that you're listing everyone so if you have a business partner or partners, you're going to make sure that you list everyone. And like it said, there's a $25 additional fee for every person. So once you get approved for your LLC or corporation, you are going to get an email or notification. It's going to take you to apply for your EIN, which is free. And you are going to need this because this calculates and tracks all the money that you've earned, so they can calculate how much taxes that you need to pay. So this is very important. And it also tells you, if you saw, what form that you need to file for your taxes based on your corp or LLC. I blocked out all my information, but this is basically the documents that you'll get once you sign up for your EIN number. And if you have employees, this is what they use as well when they file their taxes and stuff. So you'll get that. And then you're also going to get your business articles. So mine, like it says at the top, is for incorporation. If you have an LLC, then yours will specify that. I have blocked out all my information, but as you can see, it's killerbeecosmetics. It's going to have your business address, whatever you use for your business address. Your filing number is going to be at the top, but I removed that. And then your state, and it has the date that you were approved and everything. So these are all the documents that you get, and keep these because you will need these to apply for a business account, which I recommend applying for a business account. I use Jack's Federal Credit Union for mine. It's required to have your business articles, your EIN number, mail showing your business address, because you're gonna get sent things. You're gonna get sent instructions to apply for a PIN number for your EIN number for taxes. Alright guys, so that's the end of episode 1. If you have any other questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Also, there'll be more episodes in this series. I know a lot of people are taking this opportunity to start their own businesses, and some people don't know where to start, or maybe you just want a little bit more education on what license to apply for. Also, I think the next episode will either be choosing your website or business cards, but I'm just going to be doing a lot of series so you can see what I have been doing and learning from my mistakes and giving you guys some tips and tricks on certain things that I've already done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy this series because I'm very excited about my business. I applied for my corporation in August of 2020, but I didn't launch my website until January 8th. So if you get your business license, you don't have to don't feel pressured like, okay, immediately have to get everything. Just take your time so that your business is what you want it to be. And that's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for episode 2. Comment down below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you already haven't. And any other suggestions, any other videos you guys want to see, let me know down in the comments. And I'll see you in my next ones. Bye, loves.